and welcome back to the YouTube channel of GDC Classes English. So as we know that few days back Pharmacy Council of India, that is PCI, has released two lists of blocked pharmacists. The first list consists of the names of more than 45,000 people and the second list consists of the names of more than 90,000 people. Now the reason why their names came into the block list is because their data was used by various colleges without their consent, or some people might have given the consent, but because of this issue their old ID was blocked and it was notified that they have to create the new ID or new registration. But while all these people were creating a new ID, one more issue came that their Aadhaar card, their PAN card was already existing. So to come up with the issue, PCI has released one notification. PCI has come up with the solution, and what is that solution that we are going to discuss in this video. So the very first step that you have to follow is you have to first visit the official website of PCI, that is pci.gov.in, and once you visit the website you will be seeing that after scrolling you will be seeing the section of circulars. The section of circulars will be there. In that you will be seeing notification regarding issues in registration on DigiPharmed portal due to PAN and Aadhaar already exist. So if any one of you are facing the issues of PAN and Aadhaar already exist, then this notification for you. So you have to click on this notification. After clicking on the notification, you will be seeing there is one Google link and there is one PDF, that is attachment. First, we will see what is given in the attachment and then we will come back to the Google link. So if you click on the attachment, everything is given in the attachment. What and all documents will be required, what is the annexure will be required from the institute. So if you open this document, you will clearly see here that this notification is for all the registered pharmacists, for state pharmacy council, for approved pharmacy institution. So this notification is for all the people and especially the names of those people which is there in the blocked list. So this is for all those people. This is regarding the notification in registration on the DigiPharmed portal, which is having PAN and other already existing issues. So before that, these are the circulars where they have published the list of blocked pharmacists. You can visit this. Now what they are saying, this is in reference to the council circular, which is regarding, first they posted the revised list of blocked pharmacists. First the PCI has given the list of blocked pharmacists on the DigiPharmed portal, where more than 90,000 names of the people were given, and afterwards it was requested to these blocked pharmacists to submit the correct and valid information. After they saw their name in the list of blocked pharmacies, they were requested to give their valid and the correct information to create the new profile on the DigiPharmed portal. So when they were creating this new registration, the council has received, now this council has received multiple grievances. These grievances were from the faculties that were facing the issue that their PAN and Aadhaar has been used for the profile creation without their consent. So their consent was not taken and their details were used to create the new profile, because of which the original users are not able to register on the DigiPharmed portal because of the error that was stating that their Aadhaar card, PAN card already exists. So this was the issue that was happening. Now what is the solution? So PCI has come up with the notification, and what is that notification is, it is requested that all pharmacists who are facing issues during their registration, they should submit their details in the Google form. What is their Google form? We are going to see. So they have to submit their details in the Google form and they have to upload one annexure, and that is a declaration by the institute. Okay, so the prescribed format of this annexure is given. So this has to be there on the college head or the institutional head along with their self-attested documents, and that self-attested document should be after the date of 23rd January 2025. So what is that prescribed format is, first the institutional details will be there like name, PCI code, address and city. Then declaration letter for creating new profile. So this is the declaration letter for creating new profile on DigiFarmat portal. So first is to registrar cum secretary. They have to write the letter to registrar cum secretary of PCI. Now, if you see, this is name and centralized council number, principal head, and that is of institution, hereby certified that name of the faculty. Name of the faculty means those who are creating their ID new registration, their name will come and they are presently working in that particular institute and they are not linked with any other institute, so that they have to write it. Afterwards, you also have to give the details like what is Aadhaar number, PAN number, Aadhaar linked mobile number and old BHP number will be there. Therefore, it is certified that profile existing on DigiFarmat portal does not originally belong to this faculty and it is requested to kindly delete or block the existing user. Okay, whatever your previously existing IDs will be there, that will be removed and you will get the new registration ID. And there will be the signature of the head and signature and photograph of the faculty. And the documents, you have to attach the self-attested documents after the date of 23rd January. Afterwards, you will be seeing faculty registration issues like PCI code will be there, institute name in which you are currently working, the address of the institute, what is the district name, all the details will be there. What is the state, in which state it is. Afterwards, you will be seeing some principal name will be there, contact number, centralized council number of principal, name, what is the name as per Aadhaar and Aadhaar number, name, what is name as per PAN and the PAN details, PAN number will be there, and what issues you are facing, whether it is showing that PAN already exists, Aadhaar already exists or any other issues. So as per that you have to mark that one and upload the declaration letter that is in a prescribed format which is given by the institute in the letterhead of the institute. So this is about the prescribed format and the details. We will see about the Google form links. So where we have seen about the attachment, there only you will find the Google link. So if you click on the Google link, this form will be open where you will have to fill the details. So PCI code will be there, institute name in which you are currently working, so that only that institute will be responsible, and whatever your name or numbers which is linked to other institute, that will be removed. Full address of institution, district name will be there, state name, principal number, contact number and centralized council number of principal. So these are the steps that you have to follow if your name is there in the blocked pharmacist and if you are facing the issue in creating new ID or new registration. So these are the steps you have to follow. Please share this video as much as possible so that others can do the registration as soon as possible. And if you have any queries, any doubts, then please let us know in the comment section and we will see you in the next video. Till then, thank you so much.